Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
All right, we've got a lot to talk about. Severe weather threat this evening. Wind and hail will be the primary threats, but we can't rule out an isolated tornado or two. All the precipitation will be coming to an end as we go past midnight, between about midnight and 2 a.m. And then slightly cooler weather moves back into the area on Tuesday, but we get back to dry conditions. And then we're going to warm it up again as we get to the middle and latter part of the week, back into the upper 70s, near 80. It'll be dry midweek, but the chance of showers and thunderstorms will be back for Friday and also into the upcoming Mother's Day weekend. 7 o'clock, 71 degrees, some scattered showers and thunderstorms, 66 at 9 p.m. Some of those stronger storms could be passing through, and then at 11 o'clock, a chance of thunderstorms, 62, tapering off more towards showers as we get to late evening and closer to midnight. 8 o'clock in the morning, mostly cloudy, 55 tomorrow with 64 at noon, 70 at 5 p.m. Should become mostly sunny later in the day. We have a slight risk of severe weather this evening across about the southern two-thirds of Indiana and about the southern two-thirds of the Miami Valley, extending south towards Cincinnati, that slight risk. And there is a tornado risk embedded in that, about a 2% risk, and that is along and south of a warm front that's moving very slowly to the north this evening. We'll show you some of the temperatures here in a moment. And the damaging wind threat, that's about a 5% risk of wind gusts 50 knots or greater, 58 miles per hour or more. Right now, dry weather here. There is a shower trying to go up in Randolph County, but we have a tornado-warned storm west of Kokomo, Indiana. That's moving east-southeast. And that's all forming right along a warm front here in the northern part of Indiana and also the northern part of our viewing area. So that'll be the most likely area to see some of the stronger storms this evening. And if we get a line that develops along that front, could be some training effect and give us some locally heavy rain. Our forecast this evening for cutting the grass, well, if you hurry up, you're okay. Fair conditions this evening. Later in the evening you go, better chance of getting wet, and then we'll have good conditions Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We'll see temperatures back off into the 50s later tonight. Cooler air will return. Highs tomorrow, upper 60s to near 70 north, and it looks like low 70s over the southern half of the Miami Valley. And Wednesday, we start to get back up toward the middle 70s here. Troy Stouter Center camera time lapse. You can see the clouds giving way to some sunshine. Wind shift there too as that warm front went by, and the wind's now out of the south with the clouds moving from left to right on the screen. Currently in Dayton, we've warmed up to 76. Winds south-southwest at 9 miles per hour. No doubt you can pick up that front. Terry Hutt right now, Dwayne Holleran at 70, Scott Biesecker in Bradford at 70, only 59 Jeff Cador at Bell Center, while we have 78 reported by Bill Telsoro in Beaver Creek and Fairborn area, and over in New Paris, David Wessler tonight at 78 degrees. So we'll see some of those showers, thunderstorms swing through the area tonight. Again, some of those strongest as we go through the early to middle part of the evening, and then late evening tapering off to some showers. Your forecast tonight, showers, thunderstorms mainly this evening. Locally heavy rain possible to be turning cooler late tonight, low 54. Tomorrow partly sunny, breezy and mild, will be up around 70 for the high. Quiet weather midweek, nice conditions Wednesday, kind of a chilly start in the 40s, but a high of 74. Up near 80 on Thursday. We'll see some scattered showers and thunderstorms then as we get to Friday and Mother's Day weekend. Cooler and drier early next week on Monday.